Let me ask you this. Do you feel like you're running your business, or is it running you? I knew nobody was going to answer that, but I know what you're feeling right now, because sometimes it feels like it's running you all the time. And it's our dedication to written processes that can free you from that. See, many of us, including myself, you've heard my story, I was a technician turned into a business owner. And I didn't bring a lot of those business skills with me as a painter into my business. And I didn't understand about working on the business as opposed to just always working in the business. And I think so many of us will open the store up at 7:30 or whatever time you open, fling the door open, the customers start coming in, and chaos ensues. And then pretty soon it's like 5 o'clock and we look at our watch and we go, whoo, we made it through. But I don't feel like I accomplished a damn thing today. And then we do the same thing the next day, and the next day, and the next day. And it's no wonder that so many people in this industry have health problems. It's stressful. You've got to promise me that you will dedicate a percentage of each one of your days to working on the business and not just in it. It's time management skills. It's another thing a lot of us weren't really exposed to as technicians. Right? You've got to dedicate, put it right in your calendar. I'm going to spend 2 hours today working on the business, working on the processes.